Our next topic is arrays, vectors and matrices. So these are basic elements in MATLAB as well as in control theory design. General matrix may be written as shown below. We can assign a variable and write elements with n rows and m columns. That is, n cross m matrix can be written as shown here. Next is how to form a matrix. In MATLAB, vectors and matrices will be typed as shown here, like variable name a equals to, in square brackets write the elements. To separate rows, semicolon is used, and to separate columns, comma or space is used. Now, how to select a particular element from a matrix? This can be selected by just writing row number and column number in a parenthesis as shown here. Like in our previous slide, it is given as A matrix equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 2 cross 2 matrix. And if you want to choose first element of second row, just type A and in parenthesis write second row comma first column, right? 2 comma 1. This will display the result as answer equals to 3. And if you want to select the entire column, just write A and in parenthesis on this place of row use colon comma. If you want to select first column, then write 1. If you want to select second column, then write 2. Or if you want to select entire row, just remove the column number with column. So it will be written as A and in parenthesis 2 comma colon. So if you want to select first row, just write A in parenthesis write 1 comma colon. Then how to form a matrix from two vectors? Like if we have given two particular vectors, like x have some values or elements, y have some elements, then we can form a particular matrix from these two vectors, like b equals to, in square brackets write x space y if you want to create a column matrix, and if you want to create a row matrix, just write in square brackets x semicolon y. This will create a row matrix. Now, what is column notation? It is very useful to create the vector as x equals to, and in square brackets xi colon dx colon xf, where xi is the starting value, xf is the final value, and dx is the increment. Like if you want to assign values from 1 to 9 to a variable x, then you can write it as x equals to, and in square brackets 1 colon 9, right? But if you want that it will be displayed with the particular increment, with a particular distance, then you can use a increment value in between the starting and final values, like x equals to, in square bracket starting value is 1, increment value is 0.1, and final value is, let us choose as 5. So this will be displayed as answer equals to 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and if we are starting it from 1, then it will be 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and so on up to 5. Now, how to delete a particular row and a column? So rows and columns can be deleted from a matrix by using just a pair of square brackets. Like if you want to delete second row or second column, if you want to delete second column, just write A and in the row value write colon comma 2, because you want to delete the second column. So this will be equals to pair of square brackets. Or if you want to delete a second row, then just write A and in parenthesis 2 comma colon, and this is equals to pair of square brackets. So this is all for today. Thanks.